It is our goal that you have visibility into progress at the class, group, and student levels. So let's walk through the test homepage. At the class level, you can see that we have added widgets to show you the average performance of your entire class. You can customize your home screen by adding additional widgets. We have questions answered, time per question, and untested students. With those added, you can now see all the metrics for your entire class. Providing this information allows us to surface trends in student performance that you can then investigate and drill down further to make the best decisions on instruction for your class. At the student level, you can see that the widget has now changed to average student performance in the blue and class performance in the gray. You can compare the student to the class using this data at the student level. There is a test taken widget at the student's level, which is not available at the class level. Also, the untested students widget is only available at the class level. Let's learn how to view the test cards. The expanded view shows you a lot of pieces of information that you may want to look at about each student. Examples include their performance on a test compared to the class average, the number of questions that are on this test, the average session time for this student, how many sessions have been given to the student, and the last test date. Use the test button on the test card to easily launch the test. You can also view the test card with the classic view. Many teachers tell us they like to use this when they are showing the students their performance. In the classic view, the pie chart looks a little bit different. The test card is smaller and more of them fit in one view. How do you use the test dashboard? By clicking on any of the cards, you're able to see the data about the test and the particular student. The test dashboard is also visible at the class and group levels. The test history chart shows each time that the student has taken the test. You can also see the item analysis and the test sessions. If chosen, you can also see the progress over all the marking periods with score percentage and grade scale. Below are all the sessions for each one of the tests where you can click and get more information about what the student got correct and incorrect. The test dashboard offers you the essential performance data and the power to analyze your students, groups, and classes for each one of your tests. It is comprised of ESGI's most utilized reports. This is also the place where sessions can be edited, added, and manually input. We hope you find it as useful as we do. Thanks for watching. Please visit our virtual training academy for more videos.